going on, everybody? Mr. Rock and Roll coming at you today with some Unleash the Archers. Now, Unleash the Archers, man, I've been waiting it seems like I've been waiting like 8 years for a new album. Here we are, Ghosts in the Mist, and to make it even better, new single out. Go check them out. Performance video, this is about to take me back. For those of you who don't know, I got to meet these people. These people are the coolest people on the planet. So nice, awesome group here. So we're going to jump on in, see what this new one, this is like one of the OGs as far as my channel goes. Unleash, been waiting for you. Let's go. Oh, but first, hold on now. This will just take a second. My new school, the Rock Academy, has just opened our doors for pre-register, and you guys have been phenomenal. Thank you so much for signing up. And to everyone else, we teach guitars, drums, bass, and vocals. So come on down to mrrockandroll.com/The Rock Academy. And the first 50 get this stupid shirt that my band made because we haven't gone on tour yet. But one day we will. Back to the video. Come on now. I don't know why the guns. Yes! Ooh! Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh, what in the world are you? What is happening? Hey, I can do that now! Hurrah! Bread! Bread, boy!
Shadows and without a warning, they've come to join the war. Who they fighting for?
Who they fighting
Phantoms
for?
in the dark they're hunting. They silently command. Who is the unseen hand?
Yeah!
With fury, rage, controlled, contained, they strike at the heart of the storm. And though we may believe we're saved, there's chaos that threatens to fall. Berserk from the avenging flood.
Almost hit my play button there. That would have been your fault. Your fault being Unleash. Man. You didn't disappoint. That riffage is crazy. Go on tour. I will absolutely see you again. Unleash, all of you. Man, it really is taking me back. This is one of the first things that happened to me as far as this YouTube channel goes, meeting this group. That was, at the time, and still is, one of the wildest things. I mean, just walked me back there, said, hang out with us for a second. I was so awkward during that day, too. I didn't know how to talk. Yo, it feels like it's been forever. What a solid song. The rest of the album better be this. I'm in. Woo! I almost shouted Judas Priest there. Unleash! You broke my computer. Wait!
Ghosts in the mist, unleashing blood for blood. Rose, fire, ruthless.
Man, I want to do that.
They prey on both sides of the fight. Searching for, they kill, then disappear in
going this way. Yeah, boy. You. Oh! That screaming. That's another thing. That homie right there doing all the screaming. I remember this like it was yesterday. I realize this is probably just a normal day for them. For you guys, if you're watching, what up? Unleash. Can't wait to see you again. This guy, I'm talking to the three of them. I'm talking to three of them. And then out of nowhere, Grant goes, "Is that Mr. Rock and Roll?" Runs up and just jumps. That's my spirit animal right there. Grant, you champion of the people, you goated human. Whoa!
Assassins on the path, the unrelenting wrath, deadly gaze, ice cold and steady.
I haven't even talked about it before.
That air, just stillness in the air. With calculated force, they made it. Clear that the battle's begun.
Hey, stop, boy!
The seething fire of fear inspired could rival the
Wild!
heat of the sun. Numbers save from
I don't know what to do.
the avenging flood. Ghosts in the mist, unleashing blood for blood. Rose by a ruthlessness, they prey
Power
on
in.
the sides of the fight. Searching forth, they kill and disappear in the night. Oh,
You're
the
right.
fallen know their faces.
Pretty glad, boy.
Once they have found you, know that there's nowhere you can
It's a shredder, man. Oh, I called it! Bro, I called that! You, boy! How much time we got? You know what? Let's get through it. Let's get through it. That sounded negative. Let's listen to the rest of it, shall we? While my hair is in my face. You don't even know what I'm doing right now! One of the most fun nights. Their shows are wild. Unleash. They're back. Boy, they're back. Man, I'm so happy about that. They're back, man. What a good song. You know, I hadn't even talked about old Slayer's voice. I called you Slayer, lol. Mostly because of Halo, because I'm a big, fat, huge nerd. I haven't even talked about Slayer's voice. Yo, this woman's ability to just hold notes is crazy. You know, one big thing, Brittany, one big difference, this. You see this from last time? And I'm in a band, and your voice is so like, her voice is inspirational. Like, it's so good. It's so good. There was not a single, like, high-pitched note, but she can do it live. She can do all that live. That singing is not easy. Like this song, I mentioned the high-pitched ones because, geez, this lady can hit some notes. That's probably man, when she's singing, kind of like Ozzy. You know who's singing. Not that they sound alike, but when she's singing, I know it's her. There's no one else with it. I'm a huge fan of this band, dude. Okay, the Archers are back. You guys go check them out. My computer is dying, so it's time for me to go. Hey, again, Brittany and the gang. Big difference here is I have a band now. So you guys should go check them out. Let me know what you think. I did my best. Gonna go that way. Hit subscribe. Rock Academy is always a thing. Woo, boy. I don't even know.